Hello, how you doing? My name is Uka Benjamin. I'm a data scientist and a machine learning expert. Okay, today I want to show you one of the most powerful tool you use to make good profits from the financial market, whether you're trading cryptocurrency, Forex, whatever market type it is you're trading. This tool will give you 100% profit. Though it's not a financial advice, but I can assure you this is the most powerful tool currently running, and it's a product of called data science work. This is VAPS. I call it VAPS because it is an advanced financial market analysis system using Void Antisymmetric Pattern Synthesizer. And like you can see, this is cryptocurrency Ethereum USD 15 minutes interval, and this is a live chart. Here I have the time 12:42, and in my PC it is 1:43 because of time zone difference. I'm in Nigeria and it's actually +1 here. Okay, and this is the way it works. This is called calculation. It notices the points, perfect points for market reversals, and then the signal comes up. This is the code. This is my VS code. So this is not just any kind of coloring, and it's not working with any robot. So this is live. As you can see, this is the terminal, and I'm also running it on Google Colab because I'm still working on it. It's very powerful. So this is my cell Google Colab here, and so back to our VAPS system. Now the idea behind this can be employed to different aspects in data science, and one of them include financial market forecasting, which we're already doing now. Also, cybersecurity and fraud detection, autonomous navigation system, supply chain optimization, and as well as smart robotics automation. Now, the key features of this system include, like I made mention of, fraud detection, supply chain, medical diagnosis, even model deployment pipelines. Okay, now this is how it works. I already have a Streamlit application I have deployed this using this system, and so this is the link. You can try it out. It's very powerful. This is a very powerful and sophisticated data science tool. Okay, you see, this is the live website. This is hosted on Streamlit, and this is Euro USD. With this tool, I can assure you, you will make a lot of profit. You will make a lot of profit, but you use it alongside other trading tools as you've been using before. So this is Streamlit, and I'm going to do another pair. Let's do for gold, that is XAU 1 minute, and then it's very fast. It will update. In the next video, I'm going to be explaining to you how I built this system. And so you can see this is gold, and currently on the 1 minute time frame, it's on the bearish move. And you see here the bearish move started here, and then it's still in its bearish state. And then you can see back here, but take note that from here to here, this is a line chart. So from here to here is about 300 timestamp. Let's take a look at the sidebar. So we have, it's a look back period of 300 timestamp or 300 bars. So you can just try it out. I will leave the link to the Streamlit application in the description of this video. But guys, please do well to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, my name is Uka Benjamin. Like I said, I am a junior data scientist, and I've been working on quite a number of different projects. So you can contact me if you have an opening in your firm. Why not? I will appreciate it if you contact me, and that's for that. And so this is my email address. And if you want to be a part of this work, don't just call to ask for the code. If you want to be a part of this work to make sure that this VAPS analysis system works perfectly well, because like I said, in the next phase I'll be introducing and I'll be integrating to this system deep reinforcement learning, and we'll be training some agents to work with this system. So this is my contact. You can chat me on WhatsApp. Okay, like I said, this works using antisymmetric pattern synthesizer. Let's do for some other pair, like we have already seen for XAU, that is for gold, 1 minute interval. This is it. Okay, let's do for XRP, cryptocurrency. Do for XRP, and we will do for 15 minutes interval. Okay, that's it. Let's take off the sidebar. So this is XRP 15 minutes interval, and as you can see, the system is a perfect one. It's a perfect one. This is a product of core calculation. This is data science for trading. So you know, data science is, for me, I would tell you, data science is the most important for now. At this time, it's the most important and the most powerful tech field you can venture into. I've been working on quite a lot of projects involving deep reinforcement learning and other aspects of machine learning. So this is XRP, and it's 15 minutes interval, and you can see it's working so well. Let's get for another pair. Let's do for IOTX, 15 minutes also. Okay, so you see this is IOTX 15 minutes. It's updated already, and as you can see, the signal came up here, and then you see another one came here for bearish move, and then the trend changed, and then you see the bullish signal came up, and currently it's in the bearish trend. So you see this system, it's very powerful. It's very powerful. So please, if you want to try it out, you can just come to the link here, timetion.streamlit. I will drop it, though you can't have access to the code for now, but you can still try it out yourself. And if you have any question, I will appreciate if you drop the question in the comment box of this video. So this is Ethereum, and this is the main application, and I'll be hosting it in a couple of days from today. So you can contact me. And also, these are some indicators I have built by myself. These are some custom indicators. This is the strength indicator. These indicators are more powerful than your regular RSI, Ichimoku Cloud, MACD, and I can assure you that. So this is the facial transformation indicator, and this is the market bias indicator. And also, one of the most powerful of these indicators I've built is the anti-symmetric bidivergence score indicators. Now it measures the level of gap and compares it to divergence in the market based on a certain period of look back. That is, for example, like I said, this is about 300 timestamp from here to here. It's a look back of 300 candles, 15 minutes interval. So it will measure the level of divergence for a particular period of time, and then compare it to the gap in the market. And then you see this tool is very powerful. The anti-symmetric bidivergence score indicator is so powerful that, you know, each of these indicators can be used independently. So I can decide to trade using only the main chart. Then I can also trade using the strength indicator, the Fisher transformer, and the market bias indicator, as well as the anti-symmetric bidivergence score. Okay, I'll be showing you how to use the anti-symmetric bidivergence score. Now, this tool works best for higher time frames, from 15 minutes as preferable. But if you're trading gold, 1 minute is perfect, 5 minutes perfect. If you're trading Bitcoin, cryptocurrency is very volatile as compared to other market types. So this tool will work well in higher time frame for cryptocurrencies from 15 minutes upward. So this is the antisymmetric bidivergence score. And so whenever the signal comes up, it's a sure one. So let's take a look at this. There's a green signal here, and then you see at this point it came up, and then you can see the bearish movement started here, and then if you go back, you find out that there is a signal here. There's a bidivergence symmetric signal, and then the same thing here. Currently now it shows that there is a bearish reversal coming, but as you can see in the main chart, it's still greenish. But the truth is that in the next few hours, because this is a 15 minutes interval, we'll be expecting a reversal for bearish movement. So this tool is very, very powerful. It works with antisymmetric pattern synthesizer, and you see it's a live market. So guys, if you have an opening in your firm for the job of a data scientist, why not? You can contact me. And if you would also want us to work together as young researchers, why not? This is my contact. You can chat me up on WhatsApp, or you can send me a mail. My name is Uka Benjamin. Okay, so for the market bias indicator, it works so well. I know not everyone watching this video is a trader, and also not everyone watching this video is a developer or data scientist or data analyst. So I'm just going to balance the explanation. So you see, for you to understand it, whether you're a trader or not, for the market bias, I will explain it this way. Whenever you see the line here crosses the zero level, the market the trend tends to change. Now you see the same thing happened. You see it crossed here, and then right here the same thing happened, and then you see it's crossed here and the trend changed here. So the same thing here, we have the bullish signal here, and then you see it crossed here, and then it's confirmed here. So the same thing also implies for the Fisher transformation indicator. Whenever it crosses the zero level, it's indicating a perfect change in the trend. So guys, if you have any question about this system, like I said, it's a very, very, very powerful system. I've been using it to trade for quite some time now, and I can assure you with this system you will make good profit. If you're trading cryptocurrencies, I would not advise you to use it for use the 1 minute time frame, though it works for every time frame. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at Euro USD. Let's look at the 1 minute time frame. So this is Euro USD Forex. Is a Forex pair, and as you see, this is 1 minute. So if you're scalping the market, if you do the scalping thing, you can also use this. Let's check Bitcoin, and let's do for 1 hour. Okay, so this is Bitcoin, and for the 1 hour interval, as you see here, Bitcoin is currently experiencing a bearish trend, and you see, but you notice something, that we have a black line here. The black line indicates that the signal was not perfect or was not accurate. So whenever you see the black line, it shows that the previous signal, due to maybe fundamental impact in the market, the signal became false, and so it suggests an opposite trade. So at this point, I took a downward trade, but the market didn't favor the strategy. That is why it works best for a higher time frame. Okay, let's do for 1 day Bitcoin. 1 day, in case you're holding, you can also use this tool and you will make good profit. I can assure you, you will make a lot of profit. So if you want to join this research work, please do well to contact me. So this is daily time frame. It's a line chart, and as you can see, it's working perfectly well. So my name is Uka Benjamin. I'm a young and I'm a junior data scientist. If you have an opening or you want us to work together, want us to do the researching together and improve our data science skills or machine learning skills, I'm good when it comes to deep reinforcement learning. That's my best. Okay, so you can contact me. So you see, Bitcoin is actually in an uptrend, and it has been this way since this is April 2025. And so let's see if we're expecting a reversal. Okay, like you see here, the antisymmetric bidivergence score is suggesting that there is going to be a bearish trend in the next few days or few weeks. So at this point, I would suggest you become more careful with your trade or possibly take your profit. So that's for that. Let's try one more pair. Let's do for Solana, and let's do Solana 4 hours. Okay, this is Solana 4 hours. So you see, Solana is actually in a bull trend. It's bullish for the time now. So you see, it was bearish here, and then this is the 5-shot transformer. It crossed this line, and then the same thing happened. And so it's bullish, but anti symmetric bidivergence calling indicator tells us that uh, we should expect a bearish reversal. So guys, do well to like, subscribe, and share this video. My name is Uka Benjamin. Thank you so much.